What's up? What's up? Welcome back. It's your boy Kris KeyZ, and this is the best place for music creators, music producers, and entrepreneurs. I'm sorry, I'm just so hyped right now. I just did a quick beat with my man Jimmy Blazer. I know it's just like a quick little 5-minute beat. And I had a question from a guy. He wanted to know, hey, he said, hey, I watched your videos and you explained exporting audio files, but you didn't say anything, or I didn't hear anything about the MIDI files, and that is why I was watching. So I wanted to take this beat we just did really quickly and show you how to quickly export your MIDI files, specifically MIDI files this time. If you want to look to audio files, go back and check out my other video. All right, really quickly. All right, to do that, so I have a beat. I'm going to show you how to do a single file, and then I'll show you how to export multiple MIDI tracks. All right, so let's start with like the 808 that I have here. Right here, say I like that 808 pattern. It's really easy. All you have to do is click this single track and then right click on it and go down to where it says export. And I can go to export as MIDI file, right? So let me do that, and then you can just save it to wherever you want. I'll just call this 808 right there and press save. So now when I go back and want to look up that Pacific, is that how you say it? Pacific? If I want to look up that Pacific sound or MIDI, whatever, I just go to my folder and now I can drag in that 808 sound, which there it is right there, right? All right. The next way to do that exact same thing, and what I like, and that is the hotkeys. What you want to do is select that track and then come over here and press Option, Command, and then E. And that will do the same thing, and then you can label it. Let's just call this 808 hotkey, so we know it's different. Hotkeys, I like that better. Press save, and then I could just go over here and pull up my hotkeys, and it did that. It saved my MIDI that way. Okay. All right. The next way to do it, if I want to do multiple tracks. So say I have 2 or 3 tracks, so I want to do all of these. Now I will say this, I will recommend, you see how I have like this is my kick or my snare. You see how it's separated? I will recommend that you take these and join whatever you want to bounce down together. And guys, once again, these are hotkeys. I'm not going to tell you always how to do these. You got to watch my other videos. But what I did, I just pressed Command J, and that joins my 2 regions together that were split. Now, it's the same principle. All you have to do now is just go in and highlight, whatever you want. Say I want these 3, my 808, my kick, and say a clap. I can do my hotkey, which is what? Option, Command, and E. So let me do that, and it's in my folder. So I'll do multi 808, for example. Press save, and then I can come back and let's just pull back my multi right here, and it should be 3 tracks. There it is right there. So now let me just play it. Uh-oh, it says hit it. All right, so let me just drag this up, and as you can see, it pulled in my MIDI just like that. Now, let's just say I didn't know my hotkeys. Once again, guys, you just highlight your 3 tracks or whatever you want to highlight and export as MIDI, and you can go right over here to File, Export, and then just go to all MIDI tracks as MIDI file. Click that, and let's just call this the same thing. Let's do multi 808 keys. All right, and press save. And if I want to pull it back up, you hear just like that, and it'll be my 3 tracks, just like that. So guys, that's how you want to separate your tracks, and I hope this was a good tutorial for you. Enjoy, and y'all stay creative. Peace.